In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about another test to prove a pair of triangles congruent to each other. We have discussed some previous tests in previous tutorials. Now we're going to be talking about a new one, and that is the RHS test. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side. The hypotenuse and one other side of a right angle triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one other side of the other right angled triangle. Now, if we take a closer look at the two triangles that we have at the right side of the screen, the first thing that we can notice common between these two triangles is a right angle. So we would be starting by that specific thing. We will be starting off by mentioning that both triangles have an equal right triangle and including a right angle. So angle B is equal to angle R is equal to 90 degrees. After we have mentioned the right angle equal, we move on to the hypotenuse. Here we have AC equal to QS equal to 5 centimeters right here, and it is facing the right angle, of course, since it is a hypotenuse. So we say AC is equal to QS is equal to 5 centimeters, and that was also given. And so now we have proved the right angle and the hypotenuse equal. Now we should pick an equal side. Now you can notice that the orientation and positioning of both triangles are different, but since the second one is an inverted, let's just pretend that we are placing them on top of each other, where all the equal sides and all the right angles and all the other angles are just placed perfectly on top of each other. We would be talking about B over R and the hypotenuse over the other hypotenuse, which makes side BC on top of SR, and we can notice that they're equal. So we say that BC is equal to SR is equal to 4 centimeters, and that is also given. And so, after all of these three steps, we have simply proven both triangles to be congruent by RHS. And so, as a conclusion, we say the two triangles are congruent by RHS. And that would be how to prove two triangles equal by right angle, hypotenuse, and side.